Nothing Party was sort of the first nativist party to sort of have broad success in the United States. They come to power across the Northeast in the mid-1850s. They're a short-lived party, but they're coming into a vacuum where the Whig Party is really on the way out. We're going to look in Massachusetts specifically, where they had their biggest success. They're also called the American Party. They wanted to protect American mechanics, who were sort of the mid-skilled workers, against foreign pauper labor, as they called it. They're called the Know-Nothings because they operated initially out of lodges, and they were sort of this oath-bound secret society. When they were sort of still in these lodges, if you were asked about it, you're supposed to say, I know nothing about this party. One thing is that they were worried about Irish voting. The Know-Nothings like to say that naturalization rules were pretty lax and that votes were manipulated. You could get here and vote Democrat. But we're looking at a sort of how are individuals changing their decisions by moving, by changing occupations, and then what sort of the consequence for their wealth.